Let me explain what is inbound call. An inbound call is when the customer contacts the company to ask for help, report a problem, or inquire about a service. The agent listens, assists, and solves the customer's concern. Suhail calls Bayani Telecom because his internet is slow. Alfoods answers quickly, speaks politely, checks the issue, explains the cause, gives a time estimate, performs remote troubleshooting, and resolves the problem.
Good day. Thank you for calling Bayani Telecom Service. This is Alfaid speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hi, my internet has been very slow since this morning. I need it for work.
Day. I understand, Suhail, and I'll be glad to help you. May I have your account number so I can check your line?
Work. It's 102388945.
Thank you. Please allow me around 30 seconds to check your connection. Suhail, there's a minor outage in your area, but our field team is already fixing it. It is expected to be resolved within 2 hours. While waiting, I do a remote refresh on your line now.
Sure, go ahead.
Done. Already done. Kindly restart your modem and check your connection speed again.
It's much better now. Thanks.
Glad to hear that. If you experience any issues again, please call us anytime. Have a great day.